Hello, as part of this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly upload a project onto the RenKap platform and instantly get multiple quotes from vetted surveyors. So let's get started and let's see how it works. From this screen you go up here to the upload project, click on there and then click upload a project and start putting the project details in. So what's the name of the project? Let's say Project X. What's the name of the end client organization? This is really important because the end client organization is the one that will be mentioned in the reports from the surveyors. So you want to make sure it's the name of the organization that's going to be relying on the report. So if you're working on behalf of a client as a consultant, then put their company name in. If you are the client, put your company name in. So let's say company Y. Okay. What's the postcode of this project? So here, just take your postcode. So I've got one for this site, one moment, and just paste it in there. Paste the postcode in. And then also what we need is the what 3-word location of the site, which gives us a pinpoint exact location of the site, which is very helpful, especially for brownfield sites that don't really have proper addresses. So what you would do, you click on this link, load up what 3 words, and then you click on this search button and then put the postcode in. That'll take you to your site. What I usually do is I'll toggle to this satellite view, which is a little bit easier. And then you can see your site here, for example. Zoom in and select the access point. So I'll select this one. That's given me this 3 words here. I'll copy those, go back to the RenKap platform and just paste those in here. And then what's going to happen? It will pinpoint the exact location so that the surveyors know exactly where to access a site. Really useful to provide that as well as the postcode. Then at the bottom, what are you seeking to accomplish with this project? So some context is very helpful for all the surveyors to understand what you're trying to do with the project in order for them to consider within their reports. So providing context is really important. So for example, here we can provide this one, redevelopment of the site, provide 18 affordable homes. Fine, continue. And now it will ask you, why are you seeking the quotes today? You either urgently need the surveys, you need them within the next 3 months, you need the quotes for a bid or other. So let's say this example, urgently need surveys, click on there. And then what type of project is this? It really helps us to understand, based on what type of project it is, what sort of surveys you might need. So the platform will recommend a list of surveys based on the type of project that you're doing. Refurbishing an existing building, new build construction on an empty site, new build and refurbishment, let's say new build on an empty site, continue. And now, based on that selection, it gives you a list of surveys. So you can go down this list and any one that you would like quotes for, you just go in and click on all the ones that you might want quotes for. Let's go through this. Land contamination phase 1, topo, tree survey, UXO, utility D. You can always come back and get more quotes for the others later, so you will have a chance to do that. But if you only need these ones, just select the ones you might need right now. If you need more information about a specific survey type, then down here you've got videos for every survey. So it gives you a little bit more context about each of them if you need that. Otherwise, just click continue. Now, based on the surveys you selected, we require some specific information for those surveys. So for example, what's the site size? Let's put that in meters squared. How accessible is the site? Easy access. It means there's no obstructions across the site. Medium, there might be some obstructions, some trees, bushes, or rubbish, whatever it might be, or a few buildings, or whether there's many obstructions. It's much quicker to do surveys when there's no obstructions than when there's many. So we need this information to help provide your automated quotes. Is there any buildings on the site? Yes or no. So let's say no on this one. Will our surveyors need access? Assistance with site access? So do we need help to get access? Do you need to unlock the gate or something like that? either yes. If yes, please provide their details. So you can provide the name of the person, email and mobile number that we need to liaise with and the surveyor needs to liaise with. Or if the site's open to the public, just click no. Can they park on site? Yes or no. And then upload your red line boundary. So here, just go in and find your red line boundary and upload it as a PDF. And we also recommend, if you can, to provide any other design documents of what you're proposing, which helps with context for the surveyors. Then continue. Now, what you will see here is essentially the ones that are in green are all the ones that we've now got automated quotes and ready for you to view. You will see that some surveys need a little bit further information. So if you click on these, so for example, the tree survey, if you click on that one, how many trees are on the site or in close proximity, and then take a view on how many there might be. So you might need to just look at the map or Google Maps and review and continue. As soon as tree survey is now green, so we know the cost and you can now view it. Legal search, so this is for the report on title from the lawyers. We need to know how many land registry titles are on that specific site. So you can go in and say between 2 to 5, and if you've got the titles, upload them here, which would be very helpful for the surveyors. Once you continue, we've unlocked that one as well. And now, once you click view available quotes, the system will start generating all the quotes based on all the pricing data that we have from all of our vetted surveyors, and it'll represent it in a tender report showing you how they compare with one another. And if you toggle the view here and you go to tender data, you can select each individual survey, see all the surveyors, see their ratings, their prices. This is obviously dummy data for the purpose of this video, but you'll see the actual surveyors once you go on the platform and upload a project. And what you would do is you just add the one that you want to instruct. So for example, ecology surveyors, we instruct this one. Contamination, phase 1, you might want this one. But as you go through, they all get added to this checkout at the top, and then you're ready to instruct them, and you can instruct all the surveyors in one click. So that's a very quick demo in showing you how to upload your project and instruct surveys to get your projects moving.